What's up YouTube? Welcome to Slide With Me another video. Today we are going to go on a little bit of a hiking adventure. Now, before I go on this adventure, I do have some explaining to do. The reason that I actually took this little trip was because I was trying to get some content for the new LG G7 Thin Q that was sent out to me from LG. This device is absolutely wonderful. It's freaking gorgeous, and I posted a couple pictorials on my Instagram stories, and even you guys were really impressed with the quality of this camera. Now, LG did sponsor this video, so huge shout out to LG. And if you guys want to see more content like this where I actually go hiking and I try to do more edit intensive videos where I actually get out of my apartment, then make sure you go support today's sponsor. Go comment hashtag what's it gonna take on these three pictures. This one, and this one. In all three of those photos, as you can see, two of them I have the phone up to my ear looking like a business executive, and then in one of them I am using the device to take a photo. And I actually did post that photo that I took in that picture to my story. So that's like picture inception. Now when you leave that comment, you will be entered to win one of these phones for free. You pay nothing. You win basically almost $1,000 phone for free, and all you have to do is go comment hashtag what's it gonna take on three pictures. Make sure you comment on all three of them to increase your chances, and hopefully you guys win. I'm telling you, this is an amazing device. It's got all the new tech. The camera's amazing. On top of that, one thing I like personally is that it's a bezel-less phone, but it still has a fingerprint reader, because you know your boy cannot give up the fingerprint reader. Some people tell me it's time to move on, but I refuse. I need that on my device. So anyways, if you guys are interested in entering to win this phone for free, make sure you comment, like I said earlier, hashtag what's it gonna take on those three photos. Thank you LG for sponsoring the channel. Make sure you go show love and thank them for sponsoring me, because without them I would not have even released this video in the first place. Anyways, let's get to it.
Good morning YouTube. I'm tired. I just got up about 5 minutes ago, but I'm also excited because today I'm gonna be hiking Blanca Lake, a hike that I have wanted to do now for probably like I don't even know. It's been several years since I've wanted to do this hike. Now, this was an 8-mile hike. However, there was a washout at the trailhead, so this hike became a 12-mile hike, I guess. 6 miles there, 6 miles back, and it's a 3,300 feet elevation gain. I'm not gonna lie, I am not ready because I am tired. I got 4 hours of sleep last night, and I'm sore because I hiked Mount Eleanor 2 days ago, and that is a 6-mile round trip, and it's a 3,300 feet elevation gain as well. But I am ready to see the view because I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing. And I gotta test this LG phone. I got this sent out for me to test, and yeah man, this phone actually looks kind of crazy. I went to Snoqualmie Falls and took some pictures yesterday. The quality honestly looks amazing. But anyways, let's get to this hike. I gotta go drive to Monroe and meet Rob and put some Supreme gear to the test. We're gonna be opening up this Supreme packable kayak and use that in one of the most gorgeous lakes I have ever seen. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my pack on. I used an Osprey pack for my hiking. I tried this and REI pack. I personally like this one a little bit better. I like the way that it sits on you, and it honestly feels amazing. The way that they, like, I don't know man, it's kind of hard to explain. I don't want to spend too much time because I'm not sponsored by Osprey, but basically that pack is really heavy and it doesn't feel as heavy when I'm wearing it just because of the way that they have it set up. I still need to go grab my walking poles, and then I need to go meet Rob in Monroe. So we are now currently headed to the trailhead, kind of the trailhead I should say. I guess that the trailhead was like, or the road, right?
The road? Yeah.
The road was washed out?
Well, the trailhead's washed out.
The trailhead's washed out. So basically it's turning an 8-mile hike into a 12-mile hike. Anyways, he is going with me. He did not bring his 1DX because that camera's really heavy. So I personally am kind of curious to see if he regrets it or not. But he takes some really awesome photos. Check out his Instagram. I'm gonna leave a little pop thing on the screen right now. Definitely takes some amazing photos. So yeah, we are going to hit the this Blanca Lake and see what we find. I'm really excited because I've been wanting to do this hike for like 3 years. Well, it's official. We are going to get eaten alive because I'm pretty sure I forgot the bug spray. I thought for sure I brought
one
it.
job.
One job.
You had one job.
And I'm
That's
fired.
right.
And I'm already eating alive, guys. Like from Mount Eleanor, I have like probably like 4 mosquito bites on this arm, like 3 on this arm, like, and I'm sunburnt. This is gonna be a brutal hike, but it is what it is. Let's see how far we can go before we take a break, because we're running a little bit later. Another thing that's kind of my fault as well. So we have finally reached the trailhead. Is that sunscreen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm gonna need some of that. Hold up, I'm gonna get some in a second. I'm already sunburnt, guys. I have like a little mark on my ribs from this backpack. I love that Osprey pack, but just because I've been doing so much hiking, my legs are already sore. I'm tired as balls. It's super hot. Your boy's wearing all black. We still got 4 miles before we, wait.
Tell them the 3,000 feet elevation.
Is it 4 miles before we get there? Yeah, we have 4 miles before we get there. 2 miles down. This actually kind of makes me feel better.
3,000 feet elevation.
Okay, I don't feel better anymore.
You got this.
It's a 3,300 feet elevation gain, so I thought it'd be easier than Eleanor, but because you go up and then down into the lake, it's actually about the same. So it's about 1,000 feet elevation gain per mile. Anyways, either way, man, it just is what it is. You just gotta stick it out and keep going. I'm like super stoked to get some shots with this LG phone because I got some shots at Snoqualmie Falls yesterday and the shots look pretty amazing. Actually, let me show you some footage from Snoqualmie Falls and then I'll see you guys in a moment.
She likes it
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm sweating or crying, one of those. It's so hot out today, man. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good. By good, I mean terrible. But we're just taking a quick break to get some water, and then we're gonna keep it pushing. Yeah. So we just passed 2 hikers going down. 2 hikers passed us, we just took a break. They said that we have about 2 miles left, a mile up and then a mile down to the lake. But in the meantime, because really the hike up is boring, I'll actually give you some footage of Mount Eleanor, which is a hike I did 2 days ago. And that's one of the reasons why I'm so sore today. I got some insane pictures there too. I'm telling you guys, if you do not follow me on my Instagram, change your life. At the Starlife, TheStarrlife, baby. Okay guys, so we are almost to the top and we are currently getting some water. We're actually filtering this water from the snow. There's a small little puddle right there. Basically what he has to do is fill the water bottle and then you push this in and all the water that goes in this middle part right here is now filtered. So we're gonna filter it twice just to be safe. Dude, I bet you the water's gonna taste so good. It's freaking fresh off the snow. It's honestly so nice. You can definitely taste that it's not like, you know, filtered water from the artesian well, but it's still freaking delicious. I'm really starting to get used to these flies just landing on me. When I was in the military, guys, random little story, right? So when we were in formation, flies would land on us. We weren't allowed to move or flinch or do anything. We just had to ignore the fly. And I'm really bad at it, but honestly, I've just had so many flies landing on me that it like doesn't even really bother me at this point. I'm just kind of like over it. But we are about to hit Blanca Lake. Kind of got lost for a second. There's a spot where you can go up or you can go down. And when you go up, it's not like a really set trail. You have to climb these rocks. So we ended up going down thinking that it would go down to the lake, and it didn't. So yeah, we are back on track and we are headed the right way. So, see you guys there. Okay, so there is Virgin Lake. We just need to keep following it and go down to Blanca Lake, which I believe should just be right past this tree line. Soon, man, I cannot wait to see Blanca Lake. I've wanted to see this lake for so long. Oh my God, guys, we made it. We are right fucking here. Thankfully, I called Eri Petru before doing this, but yeah, there's like a little extension piece that you have to connect to this. So when you let go, it deflates super fast. So you have to like have this thing ready. I feel like that was good. Now we just have to inflate the center floor, which I have no idea how to do. So I'm gonna have to reference the user manual right here. Just gonna sit on the ground. No air's coming out, baby. I think that's good.
Do this.
I need to change into my swimsuit. But you already know it's Supreme. Yo, check out the Supreme towel though. That's what you gotta scope. First of all, we got the drone. We got the drone controller. We got the split tones. The Supreme bling box towel, which is actually a hand towel, but you know, we gotta flex super tough on them. You dig? And then a normal towel, because that's what I'll actually need. I am going to change. This part you don't want to film.
Bro, this shit looks sick though.
I don't know how to row. I didn't think that far, you know? Robbie's taking his phone out to the Gatorade Ocean. Alright guys, sadly we have to go. We met these two individuals right here. We met two other individuals, they left us. Rob right here. We gotta try to beat the sun, so hopefully we can make it down in time. And yeah man, I wish I would've got more footage, but I was kind of more focused on the Instagram pictures. If you do not follow me for whatever fucking reason, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TheStarrlife. Thank you. Alright guys, so we are filtering some more water because we are all low on water currently. All gone. I, however, am gonna stop filming because we need to get down before the sun sets. I'm not really trying to hike in the dark. It really sucks. I had to do that several times and I do not like it. So I'll see you guys later. All right guys, so I made it back safely, and just so you guys understand how much hiking that was over that like 3-day time period, the Burj Khalifa, or Burj Khalifa, however you wanna say it, is 2,700 feet, I believe. So I hiked 2 of those plus like another 1,000 feet in 3 days. So I was extremely tired after that. Of course, now
This hiking was a little bit ago. It took me some time to actually upload this video, but like I said, if you would like to see more content such as this, make sure you go support this video's sponsor, LG. I gotta give a huge shout out to them because honestly, without them, I would not have been able to record this video, and I would not have gone to Blanca Lake, which is a place that I've wanted to go for quite some time. And on top of that, it's a great sponsor because you guys don't really have to do anything except for, I guess, leave a comment on an Instagram photo, and then you guys have a chance to win a free phone. When I was a kid, I never could even afford to have a phone at 16. So if I would have had the chance to win a free one, I would have definitely taken that opportunity. But anyways, that's besides the point. It's not story time. Make sure you enter this giveaway. Make sure you go comment on those 3 pictures with hashtag what's it gonna take and support today's sponsor. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and hopefully I have more to come. Peace out.